Hi and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we're going to talk about on how you can transfer your Instagram information. Maybe you wanted to transfer your Instagram application but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can transfer your Instagram information. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Instagram application and log in with your Instagram account and you'll be directed into this Instagram homepage. And then from here you will see your Instagram profile at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it and you'll be directed into your Instagram profile. And then from here tap on these three horizontal lines at the upper right corner of your screen. And then in here tap on this your activity. And from here you have to scroll down and you will see in here transfer your information. Simply tap on it. And then in here simply tap on the next button. And then in here you have to select the information you want to transfer. Choose to transfer a copy of all or just some of the information you've created on Instagram. We have here all your stories and posts and some of your posts or stories. After that, simply tap on this next button. And then in here, you have to choose destination. You can either choose Google Photos, Dropbox, Coofer, Photo Bucket, and Backblaze B2. For this example, I'll just simply choose this Google Photos. And then in here, you have to connect your Google Photos. And then in here, as you can see, Meta wants access to your Google account. Simply tap on this Continue button. And then in here, as you can see, is start your transfer. When you start the transfer to your Google Photos, will provide a way for you to follow its progress. Once Google Photos has received your transfer, they will apply their own terms and policies to your information. If you wanted to continue, simply tap on this Start Transfer. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can transfer your information of your Instagram account, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can transfer your account information on Instagram, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.